Hello and welcome to Carlisle Audi. I'm going to give you a tour of this approved used Audi S3 Sportback finished in Python yellow. All of our approved used vehicles come with 12 months extended warranty, 12 months roadside assistance and a pre-delivery inspection. Onto the vehicle now. Comes with the optional extras which include the matrix LED headlights, which add to the very stylish exterior, and they also illuminate the road ahead without blinding any other drivers. Got the 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid alloys, which contrast very nicely with the red brake calipers. Both of these are optional extras and they do make a massive difference to the exterior. Got your rear privacy glass there, sitting very nicely. Give you a quick look at the interior. The full black leather interior, very comfortable to be in. Got a nice amount of legroom in the back there as well. This vehicle is a 2-litre petrol and it boasts 310 PS, so you are getting the power as well as practicality and style throughout. To the rear now, you've got the quad exhaust as well as the rear parking sensors, making it nice and easy to park. Got the S3 badging at the back there as well. So you open the boot, you see the sheer practicality, getting a large amount of boot space there. You'll have no trouble fitting any shopping or luggage. Giving it the full 360 here. Give you a quick look at the front interior. Very stylish interior, I must say. Nice sleek design. You've got the front sport seats with the S embossing. These grip you very nicely as you drive, I must say. That concludes the exterior tour. I will now go in depth on the interior features and give you a nice look around. Inside the vehicle now. Got your full electric windows and electrically adjustable heated door mirrors. Another optional extra is the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Sounds fantastic throughout the vehicle, giving you such high quality. You've got your leather multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel now. On the left hand side you've got your display controls and on the right you've got your Bluetooth and audio. You do also have the SD tone on the bottom there as well. Located just behind the steering wheel you've got your cruise control, a fantastic feature for doing those long motorway journeys. It's currently on 2,773 miles and it does come with the Audi virtual cockpit. You can access many features on here and it's fully customisable. You've got your navigation, Bluetooth, your radio and all your vehicle information. Moving to the central touchscreen display. You can access your DAB radio, AM and FM. Give you a wide selection of channels. You've got your Apple CarPlay. I will insert a link to a video we've previously done on how you would set this up. You've also got your Audi Drive select there, giving you a nice different choices, all dependent on your preference. Bluetooth connectivity there, nice and easy to set up. You've also got your navigation, which can be displayed on your touchscreen display and your virtual cockpit. You've got the Quattro detailing on the dashboard. Quattro does mean it's 4-wheel drive. Moving down now, you've got your dual zone climate control. Got your front heated seats with 3 different levels, perfect for winter. You've got your 2 USB ports. Your S-tronic gearbox drives fantastic, I must say. And you've got your leather centre armrest for storage underneath. Giving you a quick look back over now. Very stylish interior. If you would like any more information regarding this approved used Audi S3 Sportback, or for a personalised finance quote, please give us a call on 01228 371 516. Thank you.